What's up YouTube, it's Chris from ChrisGlides, and today I'm about to show you the Signature Series lights for the Harley-Davidson touring models. On this side here, I have the 2023 new model CVO, and on the other side, I have the 2021 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited. And as you can see, there are Signature Series lights on both sides. However, on this one, the Signature Series light is specifically designed for the models that are limited and ultra for the 2023 and below, or 2024 and below, but they are not specifically designed for the new style CVO models for the 23 or 24. The saddlebag lights work, fully function, however, they don't fit. They're made for the curved design bags, and these bags are flat by design, so you have to add some extra M3 double-sided tape or some flex tape in order for them to stick and stay. Far as the Signature Series bar, when you hit the brake, it engages for a millisecond and goes out. However, all the other lights and features and functions and sequentials work. Let me show you. With the Harley-Davidson Signature light, you can see that the brake light flashes for a millisecond. The CustomDynamics strobes, so I'm gonna turn them on the 21 first. That's pretty bright and visible, and then they'll go out. That's the pattern that I selected. And this is how it looks on the 23 and 24 CVO. So as you can see with this one, the brake lights are engaged in the middle, and on this one, it doesn't stay engaged. However, the strobes work on everything else. So the next function is the hazard lights. As you can see, I love the Signature Series lights because they provide a nice sequential view, and I'll show you on the 21 model as well. So that's very nice right there. Very visible in the back for traffic and cars and everything. So with that, still get the turn, sequential turn. Works on both bikes. And I think that's really cool. Sequential turn. So, but my most favorite function out of all is the strobe feature, as you can see. So CustomDynamics just came out for the strobe feature for the 23 and 24 model road and street glides. And it's just an easy connect right under the street. Shout out to CustomDynamics. And for the 21 model, there is a module for strobes, but in my case, I needed a two-piece modular adapter from CustomDynamics for all that to engage. But as you can see, I'm staying lit, I'm staying bright, and I'm staying visible for my safety, especially in traffic. So Harley-Davidson, please come out with an update to where this part of the light, the brake light function for the Signature Series works for the 23 and 24 Harley-Davidson models. I'm not sure why, but it does say that it's only available. It does tell you that it doesn't work for the bike. It kind of works, but doesn't. But it does tell you that it's only made for original bikes that are original from factory, that come with a tour pack that's bolted on and doesn't quick disconnect. This bike, as you can see, has been modified all the way in the rear, but I think it has something to do with the original fender had the big brake light here and something or another, but it's something different about both, and I can't figure it out. If you guys know, then let me know. I'll put another short clip to show you up close what it actually looks like when you're trying to press the brake. It shines for a millisecond right there in the middle, just flashes once, and then it just goes out. I don't know if it's like a voltage thing, I don't know what it is, or just a different design. On the area where you purchase it, where they have the Ask Harley-Davidson questions, it said that it requires a BCM flash that is flashed to the designated brake light. And then on another segment, it says that it just wasn't meant for this bike. I guess it's something by design in the circuitry of this light that only allows it to work for limited and ultras. Doesn't make sense to me, but I've been trying to figure it out for months now because I like the way it looks on Grady, and I wanted to do the same on Storm when I'm braking. But for now, I have all the other brake lights on the tour pack, up high, low, and on the side. So that is all I need. And also, let me show you something real quick. I did purchase a light by a company called BrakeFree. And I saw the light on another YouTuber's channel. And her name is Doodle. And so I saw it there. But so the light actually, it was charging by the USB. You press the top to turn it on. It comes on, you click it to this part of the helmet here. It comes with an adapter piece that clips on. And so when you're engine braking and you hit your brakes, the bike doesn't show that when you're engine braking. However, the motion from the light causes the light on the helmet to engage and be brighter just from the motion. So I like that. There's a few different modes. It will pulsate in this mode and stays on. And then there's another mode to where that's the actual pulsating mode. And then there's just this mode where you have the two lines and then it engages when you stop. So I like that. It is by BrakeFree Helmet Lights. I'll try and post their website in the link. But anyway, thanks again for watching another quick episode of ChrisGlides. And I'm just trying to keep you guys safe out there. And Harley-Davidson is doing a great job coming out with additional parts. However, everybody's waiting on more parts for the 23s and 24 new body style bikes. Initially, I created a harness that converts the new 12-pin adapters under the seat to 6, which allows you to actually engage the saddlebag lights, the light bar, the luggage rack light, and any other light that you want to add onto your bike. And so those are one of the things that I was successful at doing. If you're interested, my email is chrisglides@gmail.com, and I can get that out to you. Send me an email and we'll talk more. And for any other light bar that you put back there, it actually works with the 12 and the 6 adapter. You do still need another adapter or another harness that goes inside the tour pack, but what I provide is a quick disconnect so that if I don't want to run my tour pack, I could take that off. I could just, unclip it, and then I could quickly disconnect the wires because they plug in, like plug and play, and then I could just ride without the tour pack on. I actually did that for both bikes, but anyway, I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.